Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 E450 4MATIC wagon. This one is a polar white. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one has an illuminated star in the grille. Exterior lighting package with adaptive high beam assist. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Also included is the AMG line with an AMG exterior and interior appearance. 19-inch split 5-spoke alloy AMG wheels. Macchiato beige Ambitex interior. Burl walnut wood trim. Panorama sunroof. Third row seating. E450 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Fold down third row seats. Clean set of all-season and regular floor mats. Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, ambient lighting, Mercedes-Benz logo when you open the door, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera sensors, navigation, dual climate controls, hard keys for the radio, USB ports and wireless charging, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns, different parking cameras. This E450 has 22,861 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E450 wagon, visit us at feldmanimports.com.